Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV we recording now.
Look. And that me I tell you, yeah, thief me 21 some youth in him from Tivoli, one black youth. You dep on life, you can talk about your Monday, your birthday. You put cash up below. Come on, man. Crosses TV, big up. You don't know. You see me, I'm not stop big up Jojo Bridges, King Yang D, and you see me, under control, I don't know what thing go. Yo, it's like, a man never go on TikTok with this money intention. It's not like them, you notice everybody done with Instagram. It's like TikTok, everything is about TikTok. And when you go up on TikTok, everybody are war and I say, yo, them nah get no gift for them. See Rosie, she nah get no gift. Ray. Otherwise, before TikTok, you must did have a life before. You must did have do something before, you get me? And the people them come on TikTok all the while and I beg gift. Why? If you don't get no gift, yeah, cause. The other day, I watch Roll Dog, and it's like, I see him lose one match, and the dog I say, yo, Ray, it's like, it's at the same time, it's a sarcasm thing, but you know, if you have these people, they want to send a gift. Everybody who go TikTok and talk about gift. Yo, Ray. Come on, yo, bro. What did I do before TikTok? What the fuck I was doing before TikTok? You get to me I come from? It's like everybody I deal with TikTok. And if you not send them nothing on TikTok, Anna, you know me baby. Big up. It's like you depend gift. People nah give no gift, you're not supposed to war. Them thing that hurt me out. What did I do? Them thing the people come on social media. Next thing when I come on the life I just not see the news with the youth them when them catch a back road. With the young people them are checking a hotel on a back road. The underage people them. 3 underage girl are going to a hotel. I think one at 14, one about 15, I think next one about 15 too. 3 underage girl. I want to carry them in a hotel as big great tone man. What? Ugly that bad? I want to know ugly. God put a woman out the phone. So much over there back road I sell pussy. So much over, excuse me language for the life, I don't want them bad me. So much ladies on the back road doing business. And you choose to carry 3 underage girl. Me not see nobody a come on life come adjust them thing there. Me see life what day me a watch and big up Atto a good youth. Cause me a watch Atto from day one and him man a good youth. You see me? And it's like him and them a making money on TikTok, get to them through them and get lion and wheel and this and that. Everybody want lion and wheel and everything is about lion and wheel. What the blood clot do no zoo? What the blood clot no go up no zoo? Here my man. Every fucking minute I see them there on fucking live. On TikTok. Yo, tap up the screen, send a gift. If I don't say, if them play a match and you don't send a gift, it's like them a war. Worse when them know it on TikTok. So it's like, oh, alright, first aiding. While our child won, right? Stay, see, you don't know anything go. She company live. And you know she. Hear you. While I want Stacy, what go on? You not saying nothing. I watch you know, when they lose the match, you know, if they even send a rose, you know, when they lose the match, when they send the rose, you know, big up yourself when they lose the match, you know, hold on and grateful. You know, so what the fuck you give people for put on? What the fuck you give people to put on? For people entitled for send you give on fucking live. Man, go find sitting and do, man. Go find sitting and be constructive, be independent. You not depend on fucking TikTok. Who not go buy wheel run chair, fast car chair, and this, that. I not buy no blood clot chair. I don't want nobody else. As me tell you no, me no celebrity. Me no want no fucking bust down, cause you get me I say. But at the end of the day, when I come, people say no give honor, don't fucking appreciate it. Sometimes if one of the people that are on TikTok is if them fool. Because everybody constantly send them give same way. When I come on live, talk something with facts, man. Everybody I come on the live is like one bag of red, this, that. Yo, tap on the screen, send something, fine. And then again, when they send them blood clot gift, they not send about none, you know. Most of them, you know. Most of blood clot where they on TikTok live. Where they are Jamaica, when the people them send on a blood clot gift, you not send back none. Every people them send on a big gift, you send back petty gift, cause you draw for all like blood clot money. Yes, Jamaican delight. And I try to tell them. You get me, I say, you have to be appreciative, man. A man send you a rose, give God thanks. A man send you something, give God thanks, man. Only the pan bumbo card TikTok 70 a week. And when people do send you not give you no fucking appreciate it. Yes, Tiff, me know that. Some people play a game round the clock. But the point is what me show is them up on live, them talk up on live for sure. If you say boy, this a go on a town, this a go on a country. Them a go up on live and say, tap up the screen guys. And then they look now, see it? Whole of TikTok mash up cause everybody a war now. You see that? What me couldn't think everybody a war now? Over the same fucking TikTok money. Over the same fucking TikTok money. Nobody no have nothing better, I don't know, one Argentina to the world. Everybody a pre the money. Me see best of friend, me not call on him, because me know when a man come feel like me a come on life for look nothing. Me not blood clot look nothing. And that me a tell me not look nothing. See that, a new car me just buy. Me not look blood clot nothing. Me not look shit. Everybody is like a money. A money. Best of the friends them a war. This and that a war. Man a true a word. People personal life a come on social media. For what? All because I want fucking gift? Fuck! That's why enough I wanna run from blood car Instagram gonna TikTok. Know why? Because uno not set Instagram not going to nothing. No gift no they forget on TikTok. More than uno me see una pin cash app. What the fuck you not talk about pin cash app on a birthday? What the fuck people for go no? You know how hard people have to work for them fucking money? You know how hard much as to get up every fucking day talk about gift. And the worst part about it is if you don't send no gift, them fucking disrespectful. That is the hard part of being a people. That's why one of the people that on TikTok fucking fool, man. If you don't send a gift, them vex. Then come on social media. Who? Ray, this, that. Oh, burn out you. Yeah, pussy, you send gift over there. So if me go live now on TikTok, then watch who send me gift. Then go live, you don't send no gift. I send a smaller gift. Then start blood clot cost. Yes, Patricia. It's not lie. Right now, the world, me don't know if me want TikTok. Me not go around, me want TikTok too. You understand? I me can go live on TikTok. Me not beg no blood clot gift. Me I go for show my humor and my comedian side of myself. But me not go for the fide pan beg no something. Cash out me this. If a man want send me a gift, a woman want send me a gift, fine. I don't give nobody nothing for blood clot put on. You know how people have to work for them pussy clot money and foreign. Much as Jamaica. Dream blessed, big up to man. Now you can tell me now so on the pan bumbo clot TikTok every day. For what them want to talk about this, but I realize if you don't come on Instagram come talk about mix up and people and which girl a fuck who and which man a fuck who don't feel good. No man. Every fucking day, sir. 7 days a week. For what? For what? Best of the best friend of war. Last week me see Friend and friend upon TikTok, upon one video, one friend travel from yourself to yourself to meet friend. When they take a stock, I be a war. Who want a pussy, friend? Who want a pussy? As I'm telling them, I can't talk, no pussy can't lick in my face. No, thief me. It's true. It's not like you don't laugh because you know what I go on to. Because you know what TikTok to. It's not like you know what TikTok to. I'm on a screenshot that regarding I post it on the page. For some of them rascal idiot that were on TikTok, more they're not a life. They never did have a life before TikTok. Suppose TikTok never come out. Who know that do? You can't but come man and talk every day, man. 7 days a week. 7 days a week you come. No, I understand, mama man, that's a lot. But the fact is, it is very fucking sad. TikTok is a platform for all on to unite and come together and say, Rete, this a person and this a person. I want to come together and say, boy, that man there are Europe and him over there, big pan TikTok. Me I try and do a match with him. You know? No. It's like people see them, oh, blood clot. Him get 20 lion, him get 5 lion, him get this. I mean, no, I know I come for my life content, but me can't bad mind and soul. Because you never see me anything on the look at my TikTok page and look, I be a human me post. Be a human. Either my friend them a clone out themselves, or me the panines and I'm a clone out. Me never there pan TikTok because post nothing like me and ask nothing, man. You never see a man post pan TikTok something positive. Me see a girl the other day walk a big blood clot people. And she nah nothing. Yeah man, I'm a G that man. See that? I'm a G. I'm a G in the pan the life. See that? I'm a G. But I don't know anything, man. I can't. Them things that hurt me, man. For we as black, you know me notice. We as black people bring no one another. Especially fucking Jamaican. I don't see other fucking Caribbean country. Or if I got St. Martin, people over there, yo, them people that them do what? You stop at a shop, a man, they pan, yo, what go on, they want a beer. You get me and say, you got Bahamas, same procedure. You got Trinidad and Tobago, people deal with you good. Why we as black people have to tarnish one another? Why? I was about we. Come like Bumbucker, God make woman and we side so what you know. All I but atheism get to know and me a fling at black people. Come on, man. Never see none of have a youth service or if so there so come some youth or that try come on the life and say what you know. We look at work and me start a program if make some youth get some work. It's like everything is about give and mix up. And all who wants to give and mix up, trust me, on the life's fucking sad. I don't give a fuck who wants to say. On the life's sad. Every day, so 7 days a week. Be a mix up. Be a mix up. Me not like it, Bridget. Some of them, they on the life, they my best friend, and they see them turn enemy, and the hottest thing is, I'm not telling you. As me telling you, I'm not get involved in that man and thing, but I mean, I respond, but a man them can do better, yo. A man them can do better. If you never know a man from morning, so true TikTok you gotta deal with a man, that more know. From morning, you never deal with a blood clot man. And through TikTok, you go and blood clot and deal with a man because watch you know, him the pan TikTok and him have this a followers there, or that the person over them thing. Oh God, man. If you left from Jamaica go foreign and TikTok you go over there for do. You go for better yourself, no. If you left from Jamaica go to foreign, you left to better your life. That is why you leave Jamaica. The other day I go up on the top of the people say me bad man come and come out. Come out with fucking Jamaica. Go come out with foreign me for say what the bumbo come me for bad man money for come out foreign. Me I don't but no blood clot body. Come from foreign, come tell me say what you know. Me rent a Beamer and me there foreign me have Bugatti and I be a rapper and the bumbo clot there on the blood clots you drive and see the bumbo clot not talk man. You need to come together. You never see a blood clot. A session keep and it's a Jamaican keep it, and it's all about Jamaican lifestyle, Jamaican culture, the suffering who are going to Jamaica, the youths them. Just like come here talk about the fucking youth them. The 3 young girl them with them find since week. Round a back road, all I know back road at Portmore. The 3 young girl them with them find. The oldest one in that crew is 16-year-old. 3 big men I carry them in there. I want all them 3 big men and cut off them blood clot head. Come on, man. You can do better, dog. The other day, I watch a man. Me have my money. Can't do anything more. Yo, what the fuck? You have your money, brother. Show it. Do your own thing. You don't need to argue with nobody, bro. You come on like, oh, nah, pussy. And this one, you come and say, yo, boy, this, that. And the one, you gone over there, so gone look. But more to no looking on yourself and check your blood clot logic side thing, dog. You so not help on one another, build on one another. So why, at the same time, you not try build on one another and bring on down? You not bring down on one another. You not do the thing for build. You know, so when me see thing, me I say, yo, yeah. So a thing for go. Everybody a communicate, everybody a build a thing, you see me? Everybody have them own platform. When they take a stock, this is what I say, Ray. And I don't, if you ever check your levels with them a blood clot, if you ever check your blood clot levels with them a warfare, if you a pussy clot gift or some blood clot name carrying, then don't have no fucking reason with them a warfare. A man don't take your mother life, a man don't take one of your family life, a man not stop your bread. So, me not get what you say. Me not get what you say. It come like the only reason I not argue because me can't go pan Coco Paris. Me can't go pan Coco Paris blood clot. Coco Paris Ras clot page again for our 10,000 followers see me and them can come over my page. So it's like I saw